this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Mazda MX-30 stock number 6713. This ran from the first 2023 to the current shape. It has a DR 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a DR 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. Left hand headlight, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy matte flat tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, header AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunroof holder, rear front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,